हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। एंड आज के इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं डिफरेंस बिटवीन मार्केटिंग एंड सेलिंग। व्हाट्स द मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन मार्केटिंग एंड सेलिंग? Many people they get confused between marketing and selling, but these two terms are very much different, means they are not similar, but they consider that these two terms are same and it's very similar to one another, but it's not like that. Marketing जो है वो एक it's a set of activities, it's a large set of activities, but selling is just one part of it. For example, if I'm a marketer and I want to sell a television, before making sell, I have to think about lots of activities such as planning, the type of a type, planning of the type and the type of model, कौन सा model का television है जो कि मुझे produce करना है, the price of it, at what price it should be sold, selecting the distribution outlet, and at what the same would be available, which should be available, etc. In short, marketing involves a whole range of activities related to planning, pricing, promoting, distributing, and all in order to satisfy the customer. But whereas selling is just another part, it's just restricted to promotion of goods and services. It's not thinking about the planning, मुझे customers के according set करना है, television को design करना है. It's not about that. Selling is just a part of marketing, that is promotion of goods and services. It is done through salesmanship, advertisement, publicity, and short-term incentives so that the product is transferred from seller to buyer, and it should be converted in a cash in a while. Okay, it means in a shorter period of time the product can be converted into cash. Selling is just a part, means all I want to say is that is marketing जो है, it's a set of activities. Like if I want to make a product, if I want to put some product in front of a customer, but before putting that product in front of a customer I have to plan that what I have to produce, what I have to make according to the needs and want of a customer. After that I have to think that at what price it should be sold. After that I have to decide that in which place it should be available, in which means the distribution thing, means I have to think about each and everything. But on the other hand, selling is just a part of promotion of goods and services so that it can reach to the customers in a shorter period of time and the product can be converted into cash in a shorter period of time. Okay, so in सब चीज़ का मीन्स मार्केटिंग एंड सेलिंग का जो डिफरेंस है, we will understand it in a better way one by one. So let's start with the differentiation between marketing and selling. So first point is starting point, means selling और marketing के start कब होता है, startup क्या है? Selling start after the production has taken place, means once the product has been distributed in the market, once the product has been placed in the market, after that the selling procedure start, means after the production has been taken the selling process start up. एंड मार्केटिंग कब स्टार्ट होता है? मार्केटिंग जो है प्रोडक्ट के प्रोड्यूस होने से पहले स्टार्ट होता है, मीन्स इट स्टार्ट इवन बिफोर गुड्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड, मीन्स प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आने से पहले ही मार्केटिंग प्रोसेस जो है वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Second point is main focus. Selling only focus on the product. They don't think about the customer. They only want to sell the product and to convert the product into cash in a shorter period of time. Whereas the marketing, they only focus on the customer. The main focus of the marketing is to satisfy the customer, satisfy the needs and want of the customer. Okay. Coming to the next point, that is means. Selling means it is achieved through advertisement, personal selling and sales promotion. Selling can be achieved if we will advertise a product, if we will if we will hire person for the sales of the product or sales promotion. Whereas the marketing can be achieved through integrated marketing. Okay. Next point is process. It is a process of, means the selling is the process of transferring a product or services to buyer at a regardless price of his or her needs. Means selling, they only knows how to transfer the product to the customer in a shorter period of time, whereas the marketing, it is a process of transferring our product or services to buyer at a competitive price in order to satisfy his or her need. Next point is conversion. Selling converts the product into cash. Selling is the only conversion of product into cash, means they only know how to convert the product into cash, into money. Whereas marketing is the conversion of customer needs into the product, means marketing is all about knowing the customer needs and want, and they only focus on conversion of customers need into the product. Okay. Next point is find. Selling finds the customer for the product. Selling is a process where a person or a seller find the customer so that they can handle that product to the customer. Whereas marketing finds the right product. Marketing, they only focus on the right product so that the customer can reach to them, the customer can satisfy through their product. Okay. So the next point is priority or importance. Under selling, product is given the priority, means product is the most important thing under selling part. Whereas in marketing, customer is treated as a king, means the most importance or the priority is given to the customer first. Next basis is emphasis. Bending the customer according to the product. You can, इट मीन्स कि कस्टमर को हम प्रोडक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंजेस करते हैं, नॉट द प्रोडक्ट इज चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड एंड वांट ऑफ द कस्टमर. अंडर सेलिंग, द कस्टमर they have to make change under them according to their product. Whereas in marketing, the product is developed, the product is made as per the customer needs and want. Next point is aim. Selling aims to make profit through sales value. Under selling, the profit maximizing is done by increasing the sales value. Whereas under marketing, they aims the profit by satisfying the customer. Through customer satisfaction, they aim to make the profit. Strategies. Under selling, the strategies which are used for making the selling is promotion, like advertisement, personal selling, publicity and all. But under marketing, marketing uses integrated marketing efforts involving strategy in repent of product promotion, pricing and physical distribution. So the last point is profit maximization. Profit maximization is achieved through increasing the sales under selling, whereas profit maximization in marketing is achieved through satisfying the customer. That's all. These are the points which will help you in understanding the difference between marketing and selling. So I hope that is very much clear to you all. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. Have a nice day.